Clayton, are you going to have this done by the end of the year? That's tomorrow.
That's, I'll try my best.
This is going to be just a quick video just to talk about the year and talk about what's to come, to thank everybody for the support and stuff like that. So I think this year we did around 30. I looked at this earlier today. Clayton would have no idea. I think we did around 34 videos. We try to put out a video once a week, but schedule, certain content, life, it doesn't always work out that way, but we do really try, and I do want to try to follow up with that this year coming. And just speaking about some of the content that we do have coming and stuff that was filmed, some of it months ago, Clayton can add some of those clips in here for stuff that you guys will see coming up, you know, over the next month or so.
Time for a montage?
Well, you've got a couple videos in the hopper that you can, yeah, do a little montage.
All right.
So as you've seen some of those clips, we were out having lots of fun with the Mark 7R. We do have some more. The reason you guys wouldn't have seen a video on that yet is the video that we took of that car, out having some fun with it. It just wasn't quite enough to put a whole video together. So we hope to have some more footage of that, to put a video together on that.
That car still runs, actually, too.
Yes, it's
I forgot about it
it's
until
ready to
later.
go. No, it's ready to run. And then obviously the Mark IV, you would have seen this made, well, you wouldn't have seen the horsepower, but it made great horsepower. Very easily, honestly. We still have a handful of things to do to this, just to dial it in 100% for different fuels and some of the other mods that we want to do. And I would have talked about this for our longtime subscribers, people following along all the time. The last video we did of the 2.5 stuff, I would have mentioned some of this, so it would seem like a little bit of a repeat, but not everybody's watching our videos for 2.5 content, so we wanted to just do a year-end video, talk about some of the things to come, and some of the stuff we're working on. So we are working on a 2.5 turbo kit. We do have the Mark V all-wheel drive TSI with, you know, every option you can think of on that thing. That one's soon ready to fire up. We got the fuel pump done. We do have a bunch of specifics in regards to the fueling setup on that car. We'll post some of that in future videos as well. We got a whole bunch of stuff to do to the drag car, some modifications that we're doing to that over the winter. We have another R32 project coming. We have Kayla's R32. Are we going to work on that again, Clayton?
That's got to be, it's been getting worked on, actually.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we have a bunch of R32 VR content coming. We have 2.5 turbo content coming. There was one thing I wanted to mention actually about, we have a video coming in the works about a 2-liter TSI, so it would be like a Mark 6 GTI. This is in a TIG one. We're going to do some shenanigans with it. We're going to put on the dyno, and we're going to do some, we're basically going to wreck it, so I'll just put that out there. I do have a full nitrous kit that we're eventually probably going to put on it to destroy it, but we want some ideas of things that we can do to try to test to see if it makes more horsepower or not.
Stuff that's like
random stuff,
yeah,
like real random, like
a leaf blower to it.
A leaf blower to it, or maybe running it without any oil in it, which should make more horsepower, or it'll probably wreck it also.
Maple syrup.
Maple syrup. Or I had the idea of using like those air cleaners, computer air cleaners, jam those in the intake and spraying those. If you guys can give us ideas of random stupid stuff to test, to see if we can make any more horsepower. We have a donor vehicle that we're willing to destroy. Have some fun doing it. Put your comments below. Give us lots of ideas. Clayton, what do you want to do to it?
I don't know, but I don't want to destroy it right away.
No, that's the nitrous.
Why?
The nitrous will probably destroy it on nitrous.
All right. That's what I want.
I want to run it on nitrous first without destroying it. I want to see if we can, have some fun with it first. But I'm sure I got a full ball of nitrous over there. I'm sure we're going to destroy it on nitrous eventually.
I say one thing we should do though is when it gets on the dyno, put like spill mats under the entire thing, because cleaning up the Gulf Air was not fun.
No, it wasn't fun. I don't know how we're going to do that, but we're going to have to think about a way to try to keep the engine from being in the dyno. And speaking of nitrous and blowing it up, I think DAP Auto did a video on a Mark 6 or Mark 5 GTI. Where as soon as they hit the nitrous, they scattered that thing all over.
Or was that the
all
GLI
over
that
the
they had?
I don't
Mark
know what
5
it was.
GTI.
But anyways, we don't want to do that exactly right away. So give us some ideas. So what else are we going to talk about? Cut. On top of the ideas for the, it's a TIG one that we're going to destroy. Any ideas that you guys can think of for video content that we can maybe easily put together? Drop some comments below. Give us some ideas. Also keep in mind, though, that this is a shop first.
I get a good one.
Okay, Clayton?
Finish our own projects.
Oh, I'm trying to work on that right now. So those are great ideas. I mean, we do have a lot of cool cars ourselves. It's just they get pushed aside sometimes because of regular life and dealing with client cars and stuff like that. But where I was going, we try to share as much as we can on the channel, and the channel is growing, and we do appreciate everybody's support. But what can really help us put out content specifically for what you guys are requesting is share it, like it. I know I don't really say and push that as much as I should probably in all the videos, because I'm tired of hearing it in all the YouTube videos I watch. But it does really make a difference, so we do appreciate everybody's support. The more the channel grows, the more subscribers, the more views that we get, the easier it is for us to take a TIG one and put it on the dyno and destroy it, throw some money at it with a nitrous kit. That sort of support and views and subscribers really helps the channel. So we thank everybody in the new year. Again, just sharing things on Facebook or reposting on Instagram, any of that stuff, it does really help. I'm not going to ramble about it anymore. We appreciate everybody's support. Clayton, do you have anything to add as we go into the new year?
No.
He has nothing.
Nothing.
He's zoned out behind the camera.
Just do the hands again like that, out.
What, like this?
Yeah, but up again.
Okay.
I'm going to put Happy New Year. No, further apart. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Yeah, there you go.
So thanks everybody for the support. We look forward to all the video content to come. Racing seasoning Racing seasoning is quickly approaching. We have lots of stuff to do with race cars, lots of stuff to do with our dailies. Thanks everybody for the support. I said it 100 times, but I do really appreciate it, Clayton and I both. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Get to work on your own projects. We'll see you in the next video next year. Bye. Clayton, wave bye.